Okay, here we have a bird reflector that is attached to a power cable so that the birds won't come into the substations and bump into these areas. Here's another one right up here. You'll see how it's spinning. Easily hooked onto the cable.
Yeah.
Another one is spinning a little slower. Okay, this is a bird control device to notify or signify to the birds or draw their attention to the cable, high wire cables. This helps to prevent ducks and geese and bats and various animals and birds from mammals and birds from bumping into the wires. You'll see over here a little further a couple of them and how they're reflective. Here's a couple more. Notice how they're spinning and reflecting. Bird diversion devices. This way birds avoid contact with the cables and the wires from the substation. Okay, these are bird diversion visual deterrents for night and daytime bird strikes. You can see the three of them flickering in the sun, and those are to prevent, of course, the birds from running into these high wires at these electrical substations.